Welcome to another video on small multiple stacked column chart. Till now, in previous videos, we have seen various ways to show stacked column chart in Excel. We have also seen the steps to add total value inside the stacked column chart. However, there are still few concerns left unsolved even after a lot of formatting we have done to our default stacked column chart. Just to name few of them here. It is difficult to compare changes in proportion of sales from each category of movies month over month. So here it might be difficult to compare romance January sales to February 2019 sales. And this is because sales for each category does not have a common starting base across all the months. Next is labels or legends are kept at the top and it becomes little difficult to remember it. While reading the chart, your eyes would move back and forth between the legends and individual months column. This makes the chart difficult to read. Also, it is difficult to pinpoint highest sales across the months or within the month itself. I can go on with these limitations. To resolve some of the limitations, there is an alternative way to present this same dataset using small multiples stack column chart, just like we have shown in our next slide. Now, with a quick glance of this chart, we can easily note down lot of information and also understand overall sales trend under each category of movie across the months. For example, first thing you would notice here is that we have a common starting base for sales from each category across the months. This makes it easier for reader to understand sales trend across the month for each category of movies. For example, you would notice that sales for comedy category has been low in almost 6 of the months. Now next thing in this chart is that labels are placed on the left side of the chart and hence less individual colors are used to differentiate categories. This makes it a lot easier to remember categories while reading the chart. Another change we have done is highlighting the highest sales for each month with blue color. It helps us to identify movie category with highest sales in each month. Also, we can quickly notice that action category had highest sales in 4 out of 12 months, followed by comedy in 3 out of 12 months, and so on. We have also highlighted highest sales across all categories and month with orange color. So reader can quickly notice that sales for suspense category for February 2019 was having the highest sales in entire year across all the categories. We have also highlighted the December 2019 month sale as highest across all the 12 month sales. Now few more observations we can notice is for suspense category. That is, there has been significant drop in sales for April 2019 and October 2019. And this has led this category sales to be the second highest. Now looking at this presentation, personally I feel it is better compared to the presentation of simple stack column chart which we have seen in our previous videos. Now this kind of presentation solves most of the limitations compared to previous chart. Now I'll leave it up to you to decide which type of presentation to use for your own dataset. Now in next video we will look at all the steps to create this visualization using Excel as a tool. So stay tuned guys. See you guys in next video.